Hello students, welcome to my channel Science No Problem. My name is Tish Kumar Sharma and I am teaching you science. So my dear students, like our previous videos, this video is also going to be very informative and very useful. So please watch the video till end and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel to support and motivate me so as to bring you far more informative and far more useful videos in future as well. So my dear students, without wasting any time, let's start our today's video. So my dear students, you know very well that we have started a series of MCQs. So this is our third video on MCQs. Our first question is the metal which can be extracted simply by heating cinnabar ore in air is. So my dear students, always remember that cinnabar is actually ore of mercury. Cinnabar is actually mercury sulfide. So please remember this. And mercury metal can be extracted from cinnabar. So obviously D is your correct answer. Then we have question number 2. Which of the following metals are extracted by the electrolysis of their molten chlorides? My dear students, electrolysis, metals which can be extracted by electrolysis are highly reactive metals. So always remember the metals which lie at the top of the reactivity series are extracted from their molten chlorides by electrolysis. So you can see here C of option is the correct answer, because here we get sodium and magnesium. Both metals lie at the top of the towards the top of the series. So this is C is the correct answer. Question number 3. The particles of silver become blackened on long exposure to air. This is due to the formation of layer of its. My dear students, always remember that if silver articles are exposed to air for long time, then they gets black. That is due to the formation of silver sulfide layer on them, because actually silver reacts with sulfur dioxide gas which is present in atmosphere. So always remember this, that layer is of silver sulfide. So sulfide is our correct option. Question number 4. Sulfide ores are converted into metal oxides by the process of. My dear students, always remember that sulfide ores are converted into metal oxides by roasting. Roasting means they are heated in presence of oxygen. So always remember this, my dear students. So this is B is your correct answer. So then we have question number 5. Calamine ore can be converted into zinc oxide by the process of. My dear students, always remember that what is calamine? Calamine is actually zinc carbonate. So zinc carbonate is converted into zinc oxide by the process of calcination. So always remember this. This is due to this is converted into zinc oxide. Calamine is zinc carbonate. So zinc carbonate is converted into zinc oxide by the process of calcination. And my dear students, in calcination what we do? We heat actually carbonate ores in absence of or in very limited supply of oxygen. So our C option is our answer. Now, my dear students, we have next question, question number 6. Buckminster fullerene is an allotropic form of element. So, my dear students, always remember that Buckminster fullerene is allotropic form of carbon. So, C is the correct option. Question number 7. The property of self combination of the atoms of same element to form a long chain is known as. Always remember that the property of self combination of atoms of same element is known as catenation, and you know very well that this property is shown by atom carbon. So D is our correct option, catenation. Next question, an alkyne has 75 alkyne, my dear students, 75 carbon atoms in its molecule. The number of hydrogen atoms in this molecule will be, so my dear students, always remember the general formula of alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. What is the meaning of this? Meaning of this is that number of hydrogen atoms are 2 less than twice the number of carbon atoms. Number of hydrogen atoms in alkynes are 2 less than twice the number of carbon atoms. So here carbon atoms, how many carbon atoms are there? 75 carbon atoms. So what is the number of hydrogen atoms? So hydrogen atoms will be 2 less than double the carbon atoms. So carbon atoms are 75, double of this is 150, 2 less than 150 is 148. So B is your correct option. Question number 9. The organic compound prepared by Wooler from an inorganic compound ammonium cyanide was. So my dear students, always remember that Wooler, that is the, actually you must know theory of actually failure of vital force theory. Sorry, failure of vital force theory. So how vital force theory actually got failed. So that is due to the formation of urea. Actually urea was organic compound which was prepared in a laboratory. And what was vital force theory? Vital force theory was that no actually organic compound can be prepared in laboratory. They are formed in actually living things or living beings. So urea was formed by Wooler in a laboratory. So correct option is B. Then we have question number 10. The pencil leads are mainly made of, my dear students, always remember that pencil leads are mainly made of graphite. So this is our question number 10. D is the correct option. Now my dear students, we have question number 11. One of the following burns without producing flame. So my dear students, it is the charcoal which burns without making any flame. So always remember, charcoal just ignites. It does not catch fire, or it does not actually burns with flame. Question number 12. The functional group which always occurs in the middle of a carbon chain is, always remember that the functional group ketone, this actually occurs in the middle of carbon chain. Always remember, my dear students. Otherwise all actually alcohol group like aldehyde group, carboxylic group, they occur at the end of the carbon chain, but it is the ketone group which occurs in the middle of carbon chain. So please remember this. So our correct option is D. Question number 13. The fuel which often burns with a blue flame. So my dear students, you must have seen burning of LPG. LPG burns with a blue flame. So C is the correct answer. Question number 14. The functional group present in propanol is aldehyde. That is, you must know this. This is bond CHO. So our option is D. D is the correct option. OH is alcohol, COOH carboxylic acid, and this is ketone, and this is aldehyde. So this is our correct answer. Question number 15. Which of the following cannot exhibit isomerism? So my dear students, always remember that isomerism is shown by that alkane which has 4 or more than 4 carbon atoms. So any alkane containing less than 4 carbon atoms cannot exhibit isomerism. So our correct answer is, which cannot exhibit isomerism, is actually propane. So correct option is C. Now, my dear students, we have question number 16. The hydrocarbon which has alternate single and double bonds arranged in the form of ring is. So, my dear students, always remember that benzene, we have benzene. Benzene is a cyclic hydrocarbon, unsaturated hydrocarbon with alternate single and double bonds. So always remember this. So our answer is B, benzene. Structure of benzene is like this. Like this. Please remember this. Single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, and double bond. And H is also there. So like this. Then we have next question. When ethanol is heated with alkaline potassium permanganate solution, it gets converted into ethanoic acid. In this reaction, alkaline potassium permanganate acts as, this is, my dear students, very important reaction, chemical reaction of ethanol with alkaline potassium permanganate. So my dear students, in this reaction, alkaline potassium permanganate acts as oxidizing agent. It gives oxygen to ethanol to convert ethanol into ethanoic acid. So please remember. So our correct choice is B. B is the right answer. Question number 18. When ethanol is heated with concentrated sulfuric acid at 170 degrees Celsius, it gets converted into ethene. In this reaction, concentrated sulfuric acids acts as, my dear students, again, this is also very important chemical reaction. So please remember this, that ethanol, when heated with concentrated sulfuric acid. Now what is formed is ethene. And my dear students, in this reaction, actually what happens, that sulfuric acid acts as dehydrating agent. Dehydrating agent means it removes water from ethanol to form ethene. So like this, ethanol is like this, CH3. This is actually ethanol. And when sulfuric acid will remove water from it. So water will be, this is water, 2 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom. So what is left is CH2 and CH2. And this is actually our ethene. So water gets removed. So removal of water takes place because of sulfuric acid. So sulfuric acid acts as dehydrating agent. So our correct option is D. Then we have question number 19. When vegetable oil is heated with hydrogen in presence of nickel, it forms saturated fat. Vegetable oil, my dear student, this is also a very important chemical reaction. Actually, vegetable oil is unsaturated hydrocarbon, unsaturated fat. So actually this is a hydrogenation reaction. This is also known as hydrogenation reaction. Because in hydrogenation reaction, unsaturated hydrocarbons actually reacts with hydrogen to form saturated hydrocarbons, and this reaction is known as actually addition reaction. So D is correct. So this is addition reaction. So always remember this. This is a very important chemical reaction. Then we have question number 20. Chlorine reacts with saturated hydrocarbons at room temperature in the. Always remember that chlorine reacts with saturated hydrocarbons in presence of sunlight. Please remember this. This is also very important chemical reaction. So in presence of sunlight means B option is correct. So my dear students, all these reactions are chemical reactions are very important. Please practice these chemical reactions by writing them again and again. So this is all for today. I think you understood all the questions which we have discussed. So my dear students, these were most important questions, and go well prepared with these questions to your exams. So if you like this video, this is all for today. So if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.